Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a little product that I'm going to install on my 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. It's not very expensive, real small item, real quick, easy install. Just a little item to dress up a bike just a little bit. But before I show you what the item is, hit all those buttons. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. And hit the thumbs up, the like button. Alright, let me show you. Okay, my Harley front axle, okay? I want to dress this up a little bit. This is a simple, easy accessory. Let me go over to the workbench and show you what I got. A company called Benlari reached out to me and asked if they could send me this product and do a review. Nice, easy, simple installation. They are a Chinese manufacturer, but anyway, I got some axle covers, and this is what got sent to me. All right, open it up. You have an Allen wrench, and you got a couple set screws, 4 of them, and this is what they are. Black axle covers. They just slide over the axle nut and the axle, and you put in the oh, and they already have set screws in there, so these are extra set screws, looks like. Nice. So you just slip these over, slip these over the axle and on one side and the axle nut on the other, and just tighten these up. So let me take you over there and show you. All right, you just slide that on there and just tighten these up a little bit. Put the set screws on the bottom so water don't get in them and they don't rust, kinda, so. There, that's all you gotta do. Just snug them up a little bit. You don't want them too tight. You don't want to strip it out. There, that one's on. Look at that. What do you think? Gives it a little bit, just that little added touch. Okay. Now I'll take you over to the other side where it's the nut, or the bolt, the nut. Okay, so this one here might be a little harder because that is wicked loose. So let's set that on there. Okay, so what do you think? Just a little added touch. Benlari axle covers, front axle nut covers. They fit a wide array of Harley Davidson motorcycles, like 2008 and up to current. You'll just have to check out if your exact motorcycle is on the list. Got them on both sides. This side here with the nut was a little bit harder. You had to sink in the set screws a little bit further because the nut is a lot smaller than the axle over on this side. What do you think? Just add a touch. Aluminum, made out of aluminum, black, gets rid of that, dull finish of the front axle. I like it. Simple, easy. Pop on and tighten up the set screws on each. Real easy. All right, what you think? Leave a comment. Nice, easy installation, something simple, just to give your bike a little added touch. Benlari axle nut covers, aluminum, wide range, all right? Link will be in the description below for this exact product. If you're interested in other products for your Harley Davidson, and you also know I have Goldwing on this channel, my brother's bike, There'll be other links down in the description if you're looking for some other products. They're all affiliate links, and if you use the links, I do receive a small commission, no extra charge to you. All right, but there's some other products there. But anyway, leave a comment. What do you think of this Benlari product? And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.